Thanks for watching. My name is James Robertson with WorkSpace Real Estate, and today we're in the Galleria market. If you're looking for office space and you're thinking about Greenway Plaza or the Galleria or maybe downtown or midtown of the Heights, the Galleria has a 16% vacancy rate, which is on par with the city of Houston overall, the average for the city. That's not good. 16% is still very high. What we need to be seeing is 8% to 10% vacancy, right? The reason that it's a 16% vacancy rate is because there's not a lot of new businesses coming in. And also a reflection of that is the fact that there's little to no construction that's going on right now in the Galleria market. So if I were to look at the Galleria market from someone trying to lease office space, I'm thinking I have a lot of abundant space here to lease. I got a lot of choices. The rent rates are going to be very stable, very flat. In fact, the annual rental increase per year in the Galleria market is 0.7%. That's not even keeping up with inflation. The problem that you need to think about when you're leasing here, if you're renewing a lease, is if you're signing a renewal and you have 50-cent bumps every year, which is very common in this market, you're overpaying on the increases. In other words, you're giving the landlords more rate increases than the market, substantially more, and you need to check that. When you're renegotiating leases, keep that in mind. Now, one of the trends we've seen in the Galleria market is a tremendous flight to quality. That's a fancy way of saying the current tenants here are moving from existing buildings to new construction for about the same rental rate. Downtown, we saw a similar trend where businesses are moving into nicer looking spaces. These are the bigger companies, and they're paying about the same amount in rents. Once again, that's a trend that the market is stagnant. It's not going up. People are just getting better places to stay within that market. So if you're looking for space in the Galleria, my advice would be shop your options. The newer construction is going to be at that higher point, about $34 to $36 a foot. You got your Class B space that's going to be a very comfortable $22 to maybe $28 a foot. And then there's an abundance of Class C space here. And Class C is typically the 3-story to 6-story tall buildings. That's where a lot of the action's happening. We're still seeing lower rental rates, anywhere from maybe $14 a foot on up. So maybe 14 to maybe 20, 22, 23 bucks a foot. So overall, when I think about the Galleria market, I'm thinking it's a beautiful skyline. The Williams Tower is the most iconic building in this market. We've had a little bit of new construction in the past few years, but not any right now. It's a place where if you want to take advantage of the location, you want to do a little shopping on the side, you want to take advantage of the restaurants and everything, beautiful place. So that's it for this report. This is James Robertson signing off. If you like what you heard, please like and subscribe. Help us keep making great content like this. And put in the comments below what market you want us to hit next. Thank you so much for watching.